transplanted starts like from here. This is about 3 plants right here that they used to be just 1 plant. The lead stalk will die off, and then babies will come up from the bottom. We'll take a baby or 2 and transplant them here. We also transplanted them here. So this is probably going to be overcrowding in the next couple of years, and we'll have to transplant another one.
So we get probably 20 artichokes every year, and so it's not a lot. There's no way to live off it, but it tastes good for the few moments that we have them. Probably 2 to 4 weeks or something. Sometimes it's longer. Just depends.
2 months.
Maybe 2 months. Yeah. Kind of lose track after a while.
Oh, I can't wait to have beans right there. The cat will follow us around the garden because she loves us.
She finds lots of lizards, brings them in the house.
Hummingbirds.
Yeah, hummingbirds, regular birds.
She's a naughty girl.
Sometimes a mouse or a rat. Love it if she grabs more of those.
So I think here I'm going to plant 3 or 4 tomatoes. I'm going to put probably a tomato plant here. My goal is to have maybe 5 tomatoes along the back, and then a couple tomatoes in that side of the garden. My goal is 20 tomato plants because not every plant is successful. Last year I planted, 30 plants? And 10 grew like a tomato. So